here. Hope everybody's enjoying their Friday, winding down and heading on into the 4th of July. Um, yeah, hope everybody's got lots of fun plans planned for this weekend and all sorts of stuff. So I think I'm just going to be hanging out, chilling out, relaxing, I think mostly watching some fireworks maybe. But yeah, that's all I got planned. All right, so the reason we're here today is, first of all, I wanted to show you guys this. I got this from Engineering Snowman, clear over in Finland. It's been quite a trek getting here, but it finally made it here a couple days ago, and I've been playing around with it. Yeah, really, really nice packaging here for this guy. All 3D printed. Even this soft stuff here is 3D printed. Show you, it's got the cutout for the pick. I guess if you guys haven't guessed it by now, it's a pick. Sorry. But yeah, really cool, all 3D printed. And then there's this baby. All right, yeah, check that guy out. Man, is it fun to use. Great pick. Works sweet. So super light. It's 20 thousandths steel. He made it out of feeler gauge steel, and yeah, man, I love it. It is so nice. Like I said, it's light, very super light. It's at least as light as the Petersons are. So yeah, but today we're not going to be picking with this guy. As you all might know, I think I showed this in a previous video. I got this from an antique shop here in town, and I've been playing around with it, and Coxy from Coxy's Picks has been helping me with it too. So right now it's locked, as you can see. Unlocks. Lock it back up. Yeah, there's the key. Let's see if you guys can see that. So I'm thinking it's a 3-lever. I'm not sure, but it's kind of what it feels like in there. So yeah, Coxy has helped me with a few methods for doing this, and I've been playing around with it, and I think I might have figured it out. So as you can see, it is definitely locked back up. Hopefully you guys can see that. It is locked back up. Get this a little closer over here, maybe. Okay, so I just got to get this tension. This is what I'm using for tension. Got to get it in the right spot here. There's just one little area in there that you can get to the right spot at. And then, yeah, this is my pick wire. This is the only thing I had around that would do it, and it's a broken wire from the Sparrow's disc detainer pick. So, yeah. Okay, start finding levers here. It's kind of tricky, man. You gotta just feel it out, and it felt like one. Just gotta keep wiggling them until hopefully it comes open. Sorry guys, I'm trying to concentrate on this. Just gotta barely get on there, and it's hard to tell sometimes which ones are set. Come on, baby. Yeah, I wish I had a little bit longer of a wire to work with, but come on, baby. Of course, I just did this like 3 times a minute ago, but now it's wanting to fight me. Of course. There it goes. There, we got it. I'm pretty sure. Aha! There you go. I got it. Yeah, my first lever lock picked, and on camera too. I am so stoked, man. This is a beefy old lock. I never would have thought in a million years I could actually pick it. So, I'll show you. I'll close it back up here. And she's locked up again. Oops. And open. I don't know if you guys can see that locking pawl in there. You can watch it when I move here, maybe. And it rolls forward and then it rolls back. So that's what I was tensioning off of, was that guy right there. So yeah, I am stoked, man. My first lever lock, and a big guy at that. I am so happy, man. I never thought with these little old tools right here, that's all it took to open that big guy up. So yeah, thanks a ton to Coxy's. He, like I said, he helped me out a bunch, giving me tips and pointers and whatnot. And yeah, thanks to Engineering Snowman as well for this beauty. Can't thank him enough for that. And all the way from Finland, excuse me. This nice 3D printed case and everything. So alright guys, well, that's what I got for today. So everybody have a happy 4th, and be safe out there. Remember, always keep it legal. Only pick locks that are yours and aren't in use. Alright everyone out there in Lockland, we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.